Vegan sausage rolls for the vegan diet. For the ingredients you will need 250 grams of chestnut mushrooms, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 leeks finely chopped, 2 large garlic cloves crushed, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped sage leaves, 1 tablespoon of brown rice miso, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 30 grams of chestnuts very finely chopped, 70 grams of fresh white breadcrumbs, 1 320 gram sheet ready rolled puff pastry, not all butter, plain flour for dusting, and dairy-free milk like soya milk to glaze. For the utensils you will need a food processor, a frying pan, a bowl, and a parchment-lined baking sheet. Step 1. Tip the mushrooms into a food processor and pulse until finely chopped. Step 2. Put half the olive oil in a large frying pan, add leeks with a pinch of salt, and fry gently for 15 minutes or until softened and golden brown. Step 3. Scrape the leeks out of the pan into a bowl and set aside to cool. Step 4. Heat the remaining oil in the pan and fry the mushrooms for 10 minutes over a medium heat. Step 5. Add the garlic, sage, miso and mustard and fry for the further minute. Leave to cool slightly. Step 6. Heat the oven to 200°C 180°C fan or gas 6. Step 7. Tip the mushroom mixture into the bowl with the leeks. Then add the chestnuts and the breadcrumbs. Step 8. Season, then mix everything together to get a slightly stiff mixture. Step 9. Unravel the pastry on a floured surface, then roll the pastry out so one side measures 43 centimeters. Step 10. Mould the mushroom-leek mixture into a sausage shape down the center of the pastry. Then bring the pastry up around the filling and seal along the seam with a fork. Step 11. Cut into 10 pieces and they lay on a parchment-lined baking sheet, brushing each piece with milk. Step 12. Bake for 25 minutes or until deep golden brown and leave to cool a bit before sprinkling sesame seeds to serve.